Exercise 2.6 in the textbook is interesting insofar that it's going to give us an opportunity to try the modulus operator, to isolate each digit of a number, an integer positive number between 0 and 1000. So I already created a template for this code. Okay, you see here all the classic border code that you need in each of your exercise. You see also that I have been already identifying, as we did for the previous exercises, the important milestones of my program. So starting by reading an integer from the user, isolate the first digit, isolate the second digit, isolate the third digit, and then display all digits on the screens. So far my program is just reusing the recipes from the textbook to read a number from the user. For example, I created my scanner, I'm displaying a prompt for the user, please enter an integer between 0 and 1000, and then I'm declaring an integer variable number and using scanner to read the next int from the keyboard. Once I'm done, I just display the number, and I display here the value of number is composed of the following digit. Of course this display will have to be completed, but for now I have a skeleton of code that I can save and I can compile. So I'm going to do just that. Exercise 2.6.java. Compiling step goes well. Java exercise 2_6. Enter an integer, let's say 723, and it just displays back this number. So now I have to do the real job for this exercise. All of this is boilerplate that should come like in a matter of minutes for you, just following the example of the other exercise. Now this is a novel part of this exercise. How do I isolate the first digit, second digit, and third digit? Okay, well, what is easiest to do actually is to start by isolating the unit value in a number. Okay, so what I'm going to call the first digit will be the first digit reading from right to left. So I need a variable. Okay, I'm going to call this variable digit, let's call it digit 1, even though this is the rightmost one. Okay, digit 1 is going to be equal to what? Well, number. I need to start with number, right? If I do number modulo 10, what I'm going to get here is a result of the division of number, the remainder of the division of number by 10. So I use 723 as an example. Well, let's take this example here. Let me pop up here a writing window. Well, if I have 7 and 23, okay, I'm dividing by 10. Well, this is going to go 72 times, and my remainder will be 3. So when I ask 723 modulo 10, this is what I get. I get the remainder of the integer division. I do not go into decimal places when I do the division. So that's the meaning of the modulo operator, which you're already familiar with. So here, the simple operation allowed me to get this digit into the variable digit 1. Now, I'm not done. What I need to do now, I need to eliminate this digit from the picture. Okay, in my example I have 723, and now if I go back here, I need pretty much to work on 72. Well, 72 is a result of the integer division, right? So I can use that in my program. Number is going to be modified. The number variable, instead of containing the original number, is going to now contain number divided by 10. Number is an int, 10 is an int. This is going to lead to 72 in my example. Now I can start worrying about how do I get the second digit. So int digit 2 is equal to what? Well, same thing, number modulo 10. Since now my original number 723 is equal to 72, I can do the same trick to isolate the unit number, and then I can once again divide number by 10. How am I going to get the last digit? Well, guess what? This is going to be the same trick. Number modulo, oops, little typo here. Yeah, okay. Number modulo 10, and then number equal number divided by 10. And I could even skip that step actually, okay, because I don't need even to divide more by 10. I'm done with the last of the 3 digits that I wanted to isolate. So now what I'm going to do is system.out.println. So the number blah 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 is composed of the following digits, and I'm going to display on the screen those 3 digits, one after the other. So digit, let's start by 3, a space, digit 2, a space, digit 1. And I'm going to include a little bit of spacing here to make this code a little bit more readable. There we go. Well, let's try it, and we'll see if we are getting closer to our objective. Javac exercise 26.java. Now Java exercise 26. 723 is the number I was testing. The number 0 is composed of the following digit, 7, 2, 3. So I have the digits, but what happened here is that I lost this. I lost the original value of the variable number because I kept dividing it. Well, that's easy enough to fix, okay? Int original equal number, a secondary variable here. That's going to just save the initial value of the variable number, and I can therefore here just use the saved value in my display. There we go. I save, go back to Conqueror, compile, run it. 723. The number 723 is composed of the following digits, and you can see 7, 2, and 3. Well, let's try now if we have numbers that are actually smaller than 3-digit numbers. So let me run this again. Let's take as an example 99. Program is working just fine. Okay, 99 is composed of 0, 9, 9, and then let's pick a last one, 9 for example. The number 9 is composed of the following digits, 0, 0, and 9. So we are done with this exercise. And let me put back the code for you.